In this video, I bought a brand new Mini. Well, not brand new, but you'll see what I mean in a minute. However, you'll see how special this car is and our plans for it in this video. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. My name is Ethan, and welcome to Car Creations. In my life, I've owned 5 different Minis. Some would say I have a problem, but I don't. Honestly, I don't. Each Mini has served me well, being reliable, good on gas, kept its value, but most of all, extremely fun. So when the time came to give back, I couldn't help myself. So this is the story of my 6th Mini. Did you get the address?
I did get the address, yes.
Let's go! So it kind of just snowed a foot of snow, and we have to travel 4 hours altogether to get this. So this should be interesting. We did install snow tires, so hopefully make it a little bit easier. So how did we get here? Well, a few weeks ago I was browsing Copart, looking at some random crashed cars, and most things I noticed were getting bought up by foreign buyers, bringing the way to be broken down into parts. I explored the IAA auction, and I noticed even more of these cars, tons of them from all over the States, all over North America, all over Canada, and I came across this one car that looked rather intriguing. It was close by, it looked good, it had most of the parts, the interior is in nice shape, it had a lot of features, it was a Cooper S, and I couldn't tell from any pictures that had any frame damage. So with this in mind, I waited till the auction came, created myself an account, and yeah, this is where you find us right now. Traveling 2 hours to find this car. When hauling such a big load, we're gonna need gas, so gas, here we come.
Got ourselves some snacks. Not bad, eh?
You know you're in the States when?
Yeah, exactly.
Snacks? I think we're on our way. Wonder what that is. Oh, Buick? Yeah, that makes sense. Nectar. We're almost there, but we had an issue here where the heat, even though it was on cold, still blowing out a ton of heat, so the engine might be a bit hot here, is what we're thinking. Here we are, folks. Man, there's a lot of cars in there.
Look at all of these cars. Cars as far as the eye can see. I wonder where Ethan's car is. So I just went in there and I was trying to film some stuff. I got kicked out already. So yeah, that's fun. Guy was not happy. I'm just gonna sit in the car and wait for Ethan. He's in there signing papers and whatnot, trying to get it all organized so he can get the car. Drop her down. Whoa! He's heavy, folks! Whew. We're out here looking at this and it just feels so abusive picking up cars with forks.
But you're the one that took the sledgehammer to the Mustang yesterday.
That's true. There she is. Here she comes.
Some snow on there, eh?
Look at those forks though. Aha!
Oh, parts.
We got parts in here. Oh, there's even a mask, some Mountain Dew. Look at this.
Let's see if it'll start.
Get a cold start.
It's got a spare battery. We could use that to see if we can quickly jump it. On the listing they had it starting, so it should be able to do it. I like the color. It's like a Nardo gray. So we can hook onto this. It's positive, this is negative. Super exciting though. So this is gonna be our new project that we're gonna be working on. Like this.
Oh. Oh.
Almost.
She wants it. It's a bit of a new noise. Come on, baby. Oh, I hook the trailer. I need to get the van over here.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that.
And then jump off the van.
Yeah. Yeah, it's almost there. Just need a little more juice than this battery can offer it. I really prefer not to drag it in here, so. Let's try this. Okay, let's just let it charge for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Woo! It's on! Beauteous. Back up the truck, back to the trailer before we go in. Yes, she started, folks. We're causing me a traffic jam, so yeah. Getting me wet. Crank it hard, not stop. The car doesn't have any radiator or anything, so we should get in the trailer quick.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful car. Oh wait, let me come to the front. Do we want to put the hood on properly?
That's okay.
Oh, I just did.
Oh, okay.
Not bad. That's what happens when you don't listen to instructions, kids.
Now it's a 2-hour-long trip back home. You ready?
There we go.
We did it.
Mini secure.
We got ourselves a crashed Mini. Okay, so we got here and now we have to try to get out the trailer. So this is when the fun begins. All right, let's see if we can turn this on. Oh. It's gonna get dark soon and lose our light.
First try.
Woo! There we go. So good. Need some Union Jack taillights. Hope he doesn't get stuck. Else we have to unload here and not be very good. Nice sunset. It's a gorgeous day. Here.
Make sure not to damage the radiator.
Wouldn't want to damage the radiator. That would be bad. They probably can't see me right now, but we already deduced a little bit about this car. It must have belonged to an elderly person because wheelchair, license plate. All right, here we go.
The car shall emerge. Hopefully the trailer doesn't tip. Oh, it just tipped. That's pretty funny. All right, here we go. Let the fun begin. Oh, she's struggling. Oh, she don't like it. Woo. Oh yeah, she can handle the snow like a beast. Okay, now she's stuck.
A little bit stuck now, I think.
Yeah, I think
the
we're.
tractor.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Man, this thing looks glorious here. This is awesome, we're doing it, guys! This is what I was worried about. I think it's okay, I just think there's not enough coolant in there. But I'm getting this message here. Engine components and fluids hot. I need to replace the radiator. We also have more than half a tank of gas. So, woo, win there. That's worth the money we spent in itself. So we're gonna turn her off. Look at that. We now have another Mini on the channel. So now there's 3 Minis on the channel. So why did we buy this car? For this specific car here, we have some really cool build ideas. We've already teamed up with some people to completely change the look of this car. We're gonna completely facelift this car. Leave us below what you think we should do to the car, but you'll see this build panning out in the next few months. And that's the video. We hope you enjoyed. Please leave us any comments or suggestions in the comments below. Most of all, like and subscribe, that really helps us out. I'm really looking forward to this build. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, so stay tuned in the coming months. It started by itself! Woo! That's good, because this window needs to be rolled up. That would be bad. Okay.